Let's get started. Did you know? Indian Railways is the largest railways network to be operated by a single government. Indian Railways has 5 luxury trains. Gorakhpur Station, with a length of 4,430 feet, is the longest railway platform in the world, followed by Kharagpur Station. Mathura Junction has the maximum number of routes emerging from it. 2 historical railway elements are included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, and the Indian Mountain Railways. The Vivek Express, operating from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, travels a distance of 4,273 kilometers, which is the longest run in the railways. The shortest run is taken by a few scheduled services between Nagpur and Aini, a total of 3 kilometers. The mascot for Indian Railways is Bhalu, or Bhalu the guard elephant. That's all for now. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Goodbye.